Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock a Zoom account. If a teacher is trying to access a Zoom account and write the password more than 5 times, this message will show up. So for you to unblock that account, what you have to do is sign in with the admin account. And in the admin account, when you sign into the admin account and you go to under administrator, user administration, go to users or usuarios, however it is in English or Spanish. Then you look for the accounts, and this account is E Pacheco, and you will see that next to the account there's a lock. It means it's blocked. So for you to unblock it, there's going to appear a message here that says desbloquear or unblock. You click there, and right away it says se desbloqueó el usuario, or the username has been unblocked, and the teacher can access right away. I hope this video has been useful.